Konnichiwa, foodies! Today, we're diving into the world of Japanese cuisine to uncover the hidden secrets of omurice. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds and discover some lesser-known facts about this beloved Japanese comfort food. Let's get started. Omurice, a delightful fusion of Western and Japanese influences, is a dish that perfectly marries fluffy omelet and savory fried rice. But did you know that omurice has a few surprises up its sleeve? Join us as we uncover some unknown facts about this delicious and satisfying dish. Omurice is a fascinating example of the blending of culinary traditions. It originated in Japan during the early 20th century, drawing inspiration from Western-style omelets and the Japanese love for rice. The result? A unique dish that beautifully combines the best of both worlds. While the exterior of omurice is a fluffy omelet, the real magic lies within. Traditionally, the omelet encases a flavorful filling of fried rice mixed with various ingredients such as chicken, vegetables, and ketchup. The filling provides a delicious contrast of textures and flavors, making each bite a delightful surprise. Omurice is well known for its distinctive tomato-based sauce that often accompanies the dish. This sauce is commonly made with ketchup and other ingredients like Worcestershire sauce, soy sauce, and sometimes even a touch of sugar or honey. The tangy and slightly sweet sauce complements the savory fried rice, adding another layer of flavor to the dish. Omurice isn't just delicious, it's a dish that can be a canvas for culinary creativity. Chefs and home cooks alike take pride in presenting omurice in visually appealing ways. From heart-shaped omelets to decorative ketchup drizzles, the artistry of plating adds an extra touch of charm to the dish. Omurice holds a special place in Japanese cuisine as the epitome of comfort food. It's a dish that evokes feelings of nostalgia and brings a sense of warmth and familiarity. Omurice is often served in family-friendly restaurants, enjoyed as a satisfying meal for all ages. It's a dish that brings people together and puts a smile on their faces. Omurice is incredibly popular in Japan, and it has gained recognition worldwide as well. In fact, there are even dedicated omurice restaurants where you can find a wide variety of creative and delicious omurice dishes. Its wide appeal stems from the comforting flavors, the visual appeal, and the sheer joy it brings to anyone who tastes it. Omurice, the delightful fusion of omelet and fried rice, holds many unknown facts that make it even more special. From its culinary origins to the creative plating and comforting flavors, omurice is a dish that celebrates tradition, innovation, and the joys of home-cooked meals. We hope you enjoyed this exploration into the world of omurice and discovered some exciting facts along the way. If you haven't tried it yet, we highly recommend seeking out a reputable Japanese restaurant or trying your hand at making omurice at home. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with more delicious food adventures. Until next time, happy cooking and savor every bite of omurice.